Because you guys missed the graphing assignment today in class, I need to make sure that you guys are aware of how to create graphs and how to format them. Because there's not a lot of time left in the quarter, I'm going to have this do as a Google assignment, and then make sure you share it with me. Name's Teresa Oscar. Just make sure you share it with me, and then I can do it for you and put your grades in as well. So with this assignment, because I can't do the Skittle one with you, I try to find some different graphs for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a Google spreadsheet, or Google Sheets is what they're called, in your Drive, and then go ahead and type in this following information. Now for the merging, it's a little bit different. When you merge something, you still have to center it separately on top of that. So basically for this one, we're doing products sold by state, and it's a football, rackets, shoes, tennis, and the 4 different states. So this is a clustered column chart. So what happens is, to create this graph, you're going to have to select all your information other than products sold. So you need the footballs, items, states, and the numbers. Go under Insert, go to Chart, and it's going to populate for you a chart. Now if this isn't one that you want, you can always change your chart type. So this is the main one that's suggested, so we're just going to leave it as that. For formatting wise, you're going to go ahead and change the title. I want it to be products sold by state. You just type that in. To format your chart, okay, so the colors pertain that come up, they're given to you automatically. I want you to kind of play around with the colors a little bit. So to do that, it's under Customizing. When you click on it, the chart editor pops up. So you can do chart styles, you can change your titles, axes, stuff like that. With your colors, make sure you click on your colors, and then you can change your colors here. So if I want to change it to light blue, notice how all of them turn light blue. If I want this green one to be changed, it's going to change all of them. So pick colors of your choosing, make sure you change them so I know you understand how they get changed. Technically, you can change your plot area. Your plot area is found right here. That can be found there, and same with your background. So go ahead and do some formatting so I understand that you know how to edit those. So this is your first one. Go ahead and pause this video so then you can type this information and format it. There is a second one you're going to do as well. So once you're done, go ahead and start this video back up. Alright, so for your second chart, there's a little plus sign on the bottom here. You're going to create a second spreadsheet inside your workbook. So this one is a pie chart because you're dealing with a whole number of people. So for example, this one was a Facebook survey of Little Debbie's products. So then people had to type in, what types they like. So if it's nutty bars, Swiss rolls, whatever. So these are the number of favorites. So what I did was I highlighted this information after I typed in all of it. Went under Insert, went to Chart. Now your issue is it's going to come up like this. Now I want it to be a pie chart so we can see percentage wise. So for me to change it, I go to my column chart options and I scroll down to find the pie chart option. If you want to do the 3D pie, that's fine too. I'll be okay with that one. So when you do the pie chart, here's what's going to look like, and that's what I want it to look like. You'll have to change the title, of course. So it says Little Debbie favorites. Notice how it breaks it down into percentages for you. Even though Nutty Bar says 20.9%, it was actually 60 people who favored it. So be aware of, the number of percent is different than the number of how many people total liked that item. So go ahead and play around with that. Make sure you add the title in there. Do some different style changes. Play around with it. And then once you're done with this one, like I said, make sure you share that worksheet with me so I know that you understand how to make these graphs. And these are in Google spreadsheets. They're going to be a little bit different in Excel, but I'll be okay with that because it's very similar. So get these turned in by next Friday, March 23rd, and you should be good to go. Thanks.